Hello everyone, it's me again, and today I'm making a video on this app I found. I'm doing a demo, I'm going to show you this app. It's really cool. It's called Sounds of Eden, and I saw it this morning on Illegally Cited's YouTube channel, and I really like it. It's like a garden, and you go in, and there's like a bunch of different plants and stuff, but they all make different like musical noises. It's really nice. And so I wanted to show it for you today, and towards the middle I'm going to explain something to you that it might be cool to do. So just keep watching to find out, and don't forget your headphones. You really need headphones because it's like 3D, it's surrounding. Like when you move, everything else moves. It's like you're actually there. It's 3D, so wear your headphones and like, subscribe, share with your friends, but stick here till the middle of the video if you want to hear what I'm recommending. Alright, let's do this.
Sounds of Eden. Sounds of Eden.
Hello, and welcome to Sounds of Eden. Double tap to enter the garden. Tap and hold the top of your screen to move forward. To turn around, tap the bottom right or left side of your screen. Allow yourself to get lost in the garden. Find a space you're happy in, and just breathe.
Okay, I breathe. Now let's double tap. You are now entering the garden. Alright, let's walk straight. Ooh, that's cool. I'm gonna tap the top of the screen and hold to walk. You can hear birds. You can hear little music noises. Well, I'm gonna go left. West. So I'm gonna go that way. Ooh. Let's just listen for a second. What was that? Dum. Let's go right. Let's see what that was. Wait for it again. No. Alright, let's go that way. Ooh, what's that? Sounds like a ringtone. I can just walk. I could just do this for like hours. Just walking. It's all peaceful. I really like this app. There's no visuals, by the way. It's all audio. And again, make sure you're wearing your headphones. Once I find the river, because I know there's a river in here somewhere, and I'm going to explain what my idea is to do. Let's go left. What's that? That's cool. Sounds like a force field or something. Another thing is, this is all audio generated. It's like keeps generating, so there's no limit. Like there's no borders. It just, I think it's endless. I'm gonna go left. Go straight. Whoa, that was cool. Let's go left. West. I gotta find that river. Oh, hi there. Dum, dum, dum. Where's the river? Oh, hi there. I think I found it. Ooh, spooky. Did I find the river? Where's the river? Whoa. Why did you see that? What the? That's so cool. I think I found the river. Yep, there it is. Go straight. There it is. Alright, so now I will tell you my plan. So I think, if you guys think this is a good idea, please put it in the comments below, the bottom of this video, in the comments. Go a little further, so it's a little bit quieter. There you go. So I think what I want to do is I want to make... Oh my gosh. No. There you go. So I want to make a video, kind of like this, just audio, but I'm gonna have my mic off, so it's not gonna be talking. You're not gonna hear anything. You're just gonna hear this. Maybe like 30-45 minutes, or you guys can, yeah, like 30-45 minutes. And it's just me walking around this garden, just moving around, listening to all different sounds. Just so you can, if you need to relax or something, I can do that for a little bit, and then, or you can. If you guys think it's a good idea, if you want me to do that, I can just no talking, no mic on, all the mics off, and it's just all you hear is just the garden, just moving around. And I could do that if you want. If you think this is a good idea, just put it in the comments. But anyway, if you want me to, I'll do that. But I think that'd be cool, because you just hear the garden, me walking around and everything. So. I like this app though, because it's relaxing. Like I think I could fall asleep to this. It's like a garden, it's peaceful. But yeah, this is endlessly generated, so you can go wherever you want. It just keeps generating. I don't think there's borders. But yeah, if you want me to just do a video of me just playing this without talking, so you can just listen and relax, then put it in the comments, and I will do that. Alright, let's see what else I can find. Bye bye, river. And birdies. What's that? Let's go find that. East. Whoa. Let's go straight. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, hi there. Let's go find that bell. It's like we're in the middle. There's a bunch of sounds all around. I think. The river to the right. There's a bell in front. And there's a little cool ghost in there. And there's like a boom boom to the left. Yeah, let's keep going. What's that? Let's find that little digging noise. It's gone. Where'd it go? Let's listen. Find it. Where is it? No, it's to the right. Left. There you go. Straight. Hello there, sir. Are you digging? Sir. Are you gonna answer my question? You're just gonna stare at me like I'm stupid. You know what? He's not answering. Let's just go find somewhere else. Oh, hi there. I wonder what that noise really is, though. That's pretty cool. So, like someone... Let me see. Let's see. And again, I found this video, this app on Illegally Cited's YouTube channel. I thought it was really cool, so I played it a little bit and I thought I'd do a demo. Let's go right. Let's go that way. That's cool. Ooh, spooky. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, hi there. Where's the river? Let's find the river again. And then I think we'll end when I find the river. Oh, hi there. This is really nice. I could fall asleep to this. So I'm gonna play when I have trouble going to sleep. And then I'm probably gonna wake up with my phone dead. So I'm gonna fall asleep with it on and then... Where are you, river? I cannot find you. Wait, do I hear you? Oh, river. What the heck is that river?
West.
Oh, hi there. River. Maybe I'll just stop here. I'll look for a little bit longer. Okay, I can't find the river. So I think I might just end it here. Okay. Ow, that was loud. Maybe my volume's turned up. Watch, I'm gonna end this right now, and then I'm gonna come back to it, and I'm gonna find the river in like 5 seconds. Maybe it's east. I think it's east. Let's try this direction last. And if it's not there, then I'll end it just somewhere random. I think I'll just end it here. Alright, well everyone, thanks for watching this video, and if you think about my idea, and if you think it's a good idea of me to just record of just the game for a little bit, and so you guys can just hear this, and not my annoying voice, then leave it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share this with your friends if you liked it, if you think they'll like it, and thanks for watching. Bye! Goodbye.